Okay. Now sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. For example, A is set. This is a set, and we are using capital A. Okay. The elements of set are represented by small letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, and we will use curly bracket for this. Only curly bracket. Clear? So now we will learn about belongs to symbol and doesn't belong. Belongs to, this is belongs to. This is belongs to. The symbol is for belongs to, and this is doesn't belong to. Look, for example, A is set whose elements are 1, 2, 3. If this is element of this set, then this belongs to this set. If this is not element of this set, then doesn't belong to. 3 is element of this set, so 3 belongs to A. And 4 is not element of this set, so 4 doesn't belong to A. Okay. Now representation. Now new topic is representation of set. What is representation of set? There are two ways for representation of sets. First is roster or tabular form, and other is set builder form. Firstly, we will discuss roster form. Which form? Roster or tabular form, in which all the elements of set are listed, same as this example. Okay, so roster or tabular form means all the elements of a set are listed. For example, the set of all natural numbers which divide 42. So we know that natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, but we have to find out the natural numbers which divide 42. So 42 divide number are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. These are the factors of 42. So which divide 42. So these are listed elements. So elements are these. Similarly, next example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So we will use in curly bracket. This is a set. The set of all odd natural numbers. We know about all odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are odd natural numbers. So this is a set. Now set builder form. Suppose we want to write any set. Then we will write, firstly we will take one element x such that px means property of x. Suppose, for example, the set of natural number less than 10. So we know that set of natural number less than 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is roster form. Which form is this? Roster. But if you want to write in set builder form, then we will take these elements as in the form of x. So I am taking all these as x, where x less than 10 and x belongs to natural number. So this is the property of x. Firstly write down x and then property of x. What is x? Clear? Now next example, the set of vowels in English alphabet. Suppose B is any set, C is any set, you can take any set. X such that, what is x here? X is a vowel. What is x? X is a vowel in English alphabet.